A mind-boggling quantity of XRP was transferred less than 20 hours ago, as stated by the popular blockchain tracking platform Whale Alert. Whale Alert is responsible for monitoring huge cryptocurrency transfers and subsequently sharing the facts on its X account. The total quantity of XRP that was exchanged throughout these transactions was greater than 500 million coins. In the process of transferring these hundreds of millions of dollars worth of cryptocurrency, the blockchain firm Ripple played an active role. This coincided with a significant price increase that was displayed by the cryptocurrency that was linked with Ripple during the previous day. As XRP reached the price level of 57 cents, the movement of 500 million XRP, it was revealed by the data source that was stated earlier that approximately 14 hours ago, two enormous XRP transactions were discovered. The first transfer had 100 million XRP with a value of $53 million, while the second transfer contained an astounding 470 million XRP with a value of $250 million in fiat currency. Trending topics, investors, and Binance major warning for Ethereum, Tron, and AVAX, the withdrawal of funds, 1 hour's worth of 570 million XRP. What exactly is going on? There is a 10 increase in Ethereum, they say, while Bitcoin's dominance is waning. Brand forecast that Bitcoin will reach its highest point of 150,000 in September. It was reported that 100,000 XRP, which is equivalent to $53 million USD, was transferred from one unknown wallet to another unknown wallet. The Whale Alert account 6th of November 2024 Ripple, a blockchain powerhouse based in San Francisco and led by Brad Garlinghouse, was responsible for the second and largest transfer that was carried out. Both of the transfers were completed in a single hour. It has been reported that 470 million XRP, which is equivalent to $250 million, was moved from Ripple to an unknown wallet. The Whale Alert account 6th of November 2024 Ripple has successfully transferred a massive amount of XRP to a blockchain address that provides anonymity. On the other hand, information that was distributed by BitHomp, an explorer who focuses on XRP, reveals that this wallet was also associated with Ripple. Following the arrival of these 470 million XRP, BitHomp observed an outbound transfer that carried 100 million XRP in a route that was unknown to them. Even though the reasons behind this massive XRP transfer that was launched by the blockchain heavyweight are yet unknown, Ripple often engages in transactions that result in the selling of XRP. During the past 4 years, the company has been using the proceeds to finance its operations as well as the legal fees that have been incurred in its case against the SEC regulator. Similar to WED, November 6th, after skyrocketing above 75,000, Bitcoin has surpassed the meta value. Alex, a new Bitcoin causes a spike in the cryptocurrency industry. Bitcoin, the most prominent cryptocurrency in the world, experienced a meteoric rise on November 6, reaching a new record price peak of 75,000 and then soaring further to reach an all-time high of 76,000. This enormous increase was a source of satisfaction for the whole cryptocurrency community. This major political development, a significant change in the leader of the government in the United States, occurred on November 5th, and the results were officially revealed the following day. These were attained after the new political development. Following the example set by Bitcoin, the prices of other cryptocurrencies also experienced significant increases. Among them was XRP, which experienced a surge of about 10 in the past 24 hours, culminating in a momentary price of 57 cents. As of right now, it has undergone a decline of 4 and is currently trading at 55 cents on the main exchange Bitstamp. Gensler referred to the Securities and Exchange Commission's duty as a protector of investors and a prosecutor of dishonest activities in a speech that he delivered at the Securities Enforcement Forum 2023. Stuart Alderody, chief legal officer of Ripple, voiced his disapproval of Gensler's previous statements, which referred to the sage advice of Joseph P. Kennedy, the first chair of the Securities and Exchange Commission, regarding the agency's function as a partner with honest businesses and a prosecutor of dishonest practices. The remarks brought attention to the respective roles. However, in addition to these declarations, Gensler also included several quotes from leaders, one of the most prominent of which was the following: "We shall not prejudge, but we shall investigate." At the Securities Enforcement Forum 2023, this particular speech was delivered there. After the speech given by Gensler was disseminated, Alderody promptly responded to the comments that were made. In his response, Alderody made it it quite clear that Ripple's case had been evaluated in advance. Ripple's chief legal officer appeared to emphasize the underlying nature of the ongoing legal issue, which is contrary to the representations made by Gensler. In addition, he stated, first and foremost, Ripple was not charged with dishonesty. And secondly, the case was all prejudiced with a compromised Hinman's bill. William Heinemann, a significant role in the process of determining the regulatory status of cryptocurrencies, is being accused of having a potential conflict of interest as a result of his later links with a law firm that is involved in the situation with Ripple. Alderati elaborated on his statement by pointing out that the Securities and Exchange Commission has had filed lawsuits against Ripple, several other companies, without first conducting investigations. In addition to that, Alderati posted about the recent legal losses that the SEC has experienced. He brought attention to the agency's failures in the courtroom, as well as the criticism it receives from judges for what is typically referred to as shady behavior. In response to the criticism, the government's internal auditor rebuked the Securities and Exchange Commissions and raised doubts about the organization's internal procedures. Outline of the discovery roadmap for Ripple and the SEC. Under the direction of Judge Analyst Torres in the Southern District of New York, the ongoing case regarding XRP, which has been key focus within the cryptocurrency community, has reached a pivotal. An important update has been supplied by a well-known attorney who is in charge of supervising these proceedings. At this point, both Ripple Labs and CSE have individually presented their suggested timelines, which outline the path that will be taken during the settlement phase. There is a considerable legal struggle that is taking place during this phase, which includes the discovery of remedies and the briefing of the parties involved. This phase is also the beginning of talks that will significantly influence the way the case is resolved. The establishment of permissible discovery terms, which essentially specifies the bounds for investigation by both parties, is what distinguishes this phase from others. The current letter from the SEC, which was dated November 9th, is crucial because it outlines the breadth of discovery that is permitted. Recognizing that permitted discovery should primarily concentrate on actions that occurred before the SEC initial complaint against Ripple is an essential component of settlement negotiations. This is acknowledged by a mutual understanding. But what is it in this arrangement that causes people to disagree with it? Arguments in favor of a settlement, both positive and negative aspects, are associated with the possibility of settling the XRP case. A positive aspect is that it has the potential to offer much needed clarity to the position of XRP, which would be beneficial to the cryptocurrency sector as well as its investors. The information that has been provided is not intended to be trading advice. There is no responsibility for any investments that are made based on the information that is provided on this page. Before making any decision about investments, we strongly advise conducting independent research and consulting with a knowledgeable professional.